Welcome back. There's anger across the nation demanding retribution for what happened in Pahalgam. And when citizens are so angered, just imagine the kind of preparations that the forces are going through at the borders. My colleague Sohail gets us this report.
After Pahalgam terror attack, Pakistani army continues to violate ceasefire along the line of control. While the Indian army and BSF is responding to those ceasefire violations, but there is an intelligence input suggesting that terrorists based in POK are planning to infiltrate. To foil those infiltration attempts, BSF has been put on high alert and they have intensified their anti-terror and anti-infiltration operations. My Vijay Shafiq is showing you these exclusive pictures from an area which is very close to line of control, and here you can see the BSF Jawans have basically laid this ambush operation to foil those infiltration attempts and to dominate every single inch of this area which is very close to line of control. We have seen after terror incident in Pahalgam wherein innocent tourists were targeted by Pakistan-based terrorists. 26 of them were killed, and then after we have seen Pakistani army continuously violating the ceasefire along the line of control. And in view of that, there are also intelligence inputs suggesting that the Pakistan-based or POK-based terrorists can infiltrate into our side. That's why these impact operations been intensified. BSF is conducting patrolling. They have intensified area domination. They have intensified these ambush operations along the line of control. Now here you can see the snow has completely melted and the passes which terrorists basically use to infiltrate are open. That's why there is a high amount of vigilance and surveillance along these areas. Now this particular Nala where these BSF Jawans have been in fact deployed, they are conducting this ambush operation. This is to ensure that one, the area is completely dominated, and second, the infiltration attempts are foiled. In case there is any suspicious activity, these BSF Jawans basically pick up and act as per the situation. After Pahalgam terror attack, the Pakistani army is violating ceasefire along the line of control. The Indian army, the BSF, which basically guards the line of control, is giving a befitting reply to Pakistani army to those unprovoked ceasefire violations. But at the same time, the search operations have been intensified across Kashmir Valley.